Hey, in front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to select two apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Play Store and Chrome. Now access background apps by tapping on this square button at the bottom right corner and click on the icon of an app that you wish to see on the top half of your screen. Now click on Split Top, tap on the other app, and as you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you need to drag your app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!